Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the new Satoshi app looks like. I'm going to be explaining all the things you see on this dashboard so that you won't get confused. I see that a lot of people have been confused and they're asking questions, and I hope that by watching this video, all your questions will be answered. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into it straight up. So I know this is full. I deliberately waited for this to get filled so that I can explain what you're supposed to do. So first and foremost, how do you get this new app? Okay, the old app no longer works. So how do you get the new app? To get the new app, there are three links you can use to get the new app. And take note, you don't need to uninstall the old app. You can simply upgrade. The Play Store link hasn't been working, so if you try to download from Play Store, unfortunately your app may not even open. So the first link you can go to is here. If you want to download the app, you can go to satoshiapp.xyz. Yes, that's the first link. The second link, you can go to btcs.love. You can see btcs.love. Yes, and the third link is btcs.global. Okay, which you can see here, btcs.global. Now if you visit any of those three links, okay, you see it's the same thing. You can get the app. Now what do you need to do? You simply need to use this link here to download it. Okay, this link, download this. The file is about 50 megabytes. Okay, download it. If you use this link, this one is currently not working, so do not use it. So once you have the app, what are you supposed to do? Once you download it, you install it on your device, and once you have the app, what are you supposed to do? You come in here, and after installing the app, it will automatically bring up the details of your coins that you have mined from the old app. If you want to see everything, okay, that you have mined from the old app, simply come here. You can see all the details of the coins that you mine from the old app. So you can see it here. These are the details of the assets. Okay, you can see BTC core. So when you come here, what is the first thing you need to do? The first thing you need to do is to come to add project. Okay, add project, and then you will see Testcoin A. Okay, this is for test. You see Testcoin B here. This is also for test. And you see Testcoin C. So what do you need to do? Just click test. Okay, so once it opens, okay, you can come here, okay, by simply doing this. This is for daily signing, so click on claim hash. Okay, and then it says submitted successfully. So in another 24 hours I will be able to claim this hash again. So go back. So how do you add test coins? If you want to add test coin, let's say you want to add test coin B, all you need to do is come here, test here. Okay, come to test here, and when you're there, click on test. It's going to open, and then you click on participate in airdrop here. Participate in this airdrop, dude. So you click on participate in airdrop, and when you click on participate in airdrop, okay, it says successfully participated in airdrop. So you wait. That's all you need to do for now. Go back again, and then do the same thing for Testcoin C, and then come to participate in airdrop here again, and then click on participate in airdrop. And once you click on participate, it brings this up, and then you see that this will change to exit airdrop. If you no longer want to participate, you click exit airdrop. But it's good for you to participate in this test phase, so do not exit airdrop, and use that to see what the wallet looks like, the app looks like. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is just come back here. Okay, and then you will see the increasing. This is the part you need to pay attention to. Yes, so that part, you will make sure that you do not have up to 25 rounds of airdrop. This takes approximately 1 hour each. Okay, so 1 hour each. So make sure that you don't have up to 25. If you have up to 25, then mining will stop. Like in the old app, once you get to 150, mining will stop, right? So instead of 150, this is 25. Even though it is 25, it takes about 1 hour for each airdrop. So you'll probably be waiting like 25 hours to get it filled up. So every 24 hours, make sure you are claiming. Okay, this is the time that shows when the next airdrop will happen. So that's how it works. Now, there are so many aspects of this app that a lot of people do not pay attention to. So, for example, you come to hashcard, and why hashcards are very important. Look at this place, this part here, where you have hash. My hash is 1.35m. This hash is going to be very, very important when we start mining, because your hash will determine like how much power you have in mining. Okay, so it's very important. Don't joke with it. Make sure that if you have any hash card, okay, you are using them, and I'll show you how to use them. There are two ways to use your hash cards. Take note, there's also gift cards. I'm not talking about gift cards now. I'm not talking about gift card. I'm talking about hash card. So how do you use your hash card? You can either initiate or join. As you can see here, you can either initiate, okay, or join hash card exchange. Now, if you want to initiate, you come to initiate here, okay. Decide if you're initiating for 2 people, for 3 people, for 4 people, or for 5 people. So when you choose, let's say for example, I'm initiating for 5 people, okay, then I click initiate. It means that I will be in charge of sharing this code here. You can see this code, this code. Yes, this code. I'm in charge of sharing that code now for other people to join. So I need to look for either a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, a Discord group, wherever there are people who are mining the same T-core. Okay, I'll share that code and tell them what type of card it is. So here, this is formation card. And how do I know it's formation card? Pay attention to this part. You can see it says formation card. Okay, so I'll write in the group and say formation card for 5 people, 4 people waiting fast execution, and then people will join. Just wait for people to join and make sure this is filled up. You're waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4 people to join, and when they join, this will be filled up. So I usually use a Telegram group. Okay, I'm going to open that Telegram group now so that you see how it's done. Open the Telegram group. Okay, when you open the Telegram group here, okay, this is the Telegram group, and then I can type something like formation card for 4, okay, fast execution, okay, and then I make sure that I copy this code. You have to copy this code, okay, copy here, and when you copy, you go back here and paste the code. So this is the code that people are going to use to join. Okay, so how will they join? That's if somebody else initiated and you need to join. So how do you do that? You simply click on join here, okay, and then you go and copy the code. You come to the group, okay, go to any WhatsApp group, Telegram, or Discord group, copy it. Make sure you are copying. If it's a spider card, make sure you are copying a code for a spider card. If it's formation card, make sure you are copying a code for formation card. If you are joining Satoshi card, make sure you are copying a code for a Satoshi card. Okay, so this is what you do here. You take the code out, take this code out, go, remember you are joining, and then you paste this code here. And when you paste this code, you click confirm, okay, and if the hash card is still available, you see it says hash card joined successfully, you will be able to join it successfully. So here you can see that this exchange that I joined, this is the initiator here. One person joined, another person joined, and then we're waiting for 2 people. This is me. We're waiting for 2 more people to join, and once those 2 people join, the creator of the exchange will have a button here that says execute exchange, and then he will be able to execute the exchange, and I will get 6.5k added to my 1.35 million hash. So that's how you gather hash. Make sure you are doing this every day. It's very important for you to keep gathering hash. So another way you can also gather hash is by participating in by sending test transactions from MetaMask, and that I'm going to explain in another video. So if you are still confused, please let me know. Make sure you are recruiting more people by copying this URL and sharing it. So if you like my video, okay, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future updates. Also, share this video with someone who might find it helpful. You know what they say? There's love in sharing.